Welcome back friends, Tech for Review channel brings another review. Today we will take a look on Lenovo Z5 review. Lenovo Z5 smartphone was launched in June 2018. The phone comes with a 6.20-inch touchscreen display with a resolution of 1080 pixels by 2246 pixels. The Lenovo Z5 is powered by octa-core processor and it comes with 6 GB of RAM. The phone packs 64 GB of internal storage that can be expanded up to 256 GB via a microSD card. As far as the cameras are concerned, the Lenovo Z5 packs a 16-megapixel primary camera on the rear and a 8-megapixel front shooter for selfies. The Lenovo Z5 runs Android 8.1 and is powered by a 3300 mAh. It measures 153.00 x 75.65 x 7.85, height x width x thickness, and weighs 165.00 grams. The Lenovo Z5 is a dual SIM, GSM and GSM, smartphone that accepts Nano SIM and Nano SIM. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi, GPS, Bluetooth, 3G and 4G, with support for band 40 used by some LTE networks in India. Sensors on the phone include compass/magnetometer, proximity sensor, accelerometer, ambient light sensor and gyroscope. Let's talk about Lenovo Z5 camera. The Lenovo Z5 is packed with a 16MP plus 8MP rear dual camera supporting AI. The main camera uses OV16885 with AF/2.0 aperture, 16MP resolution, 1/3.06 sensor size, and 1 pixel size, while the sub-camera is high-hawk, with 1/4-inch sensor size, 1.12 pixel size. It is responsible for portraits and not involved in imaging. In the front, the phone carries an OV8856, with an 8MP resolution, 1/4 sensor size, and 1.12 pixel size. Now moving on, let's talk about Lenovo Z5. Lenovo Z5 performance. The Lenovo Z5 is equipped with a Snapdragon 636 chip, which has appeared on various models such as the Mi Eizu E3 and Xiaomi Redmi Note 5. This SoC is known as the youth version of the much popular Snapdragon 660. The only difference is the clock speed. The SND660's highest frequency is 2.2 GHz, while this parameter for the SND636 is 1.8 GHz. The other parameters of these two chips are roughly the same. At the end we will review the Lenovo Z5 battery. Powering the Lenovo Z5 is a 3300 mAh non-removable Li-ion battery with fast charging technology. With the 18W fast charging feature, charging the battery from 0% to 100% shouldn't take up to 1.9 hours. After teasing the world with the prospect of an all-screen phone free from any kind of display notch, Lenovo has finally revealed the Z5, and it's packing a pretty familiar display design. Disclaimer: this is not a sponsored review by Lenovo. Any opinions or thoughts expressed are solely my own and do not necessarily represent the official views of Pandaily. Thanks for watching this video. Please support us by clicking subscribe button, also hit like and share us. Let's meet in another review video.